Here is a step by step on how you can open your Amazon KDP account. So on your browser, type Amazon KDP. It's gonna take you direct to the KDP account. Let's wait for it to load. So these are just very simple steps, just need to follow them. Yes, and then now it's going to bring you to this page where we have the sign in or the join. Sign in is if you already have an account, you just log in. Then join KDP is now for the first timers. So let's click on join KDP. So first you type your first and last name. So I'm going to type just as an example, then you put your email, then you put a password, you re-enter the password again, then you create your KDP account. So you've been sent an OTP in your email, so you just go back to your email and pick the OTP which has been sent to you. I can already see mine here, so I just put it in. Then you just say create your Amazon account. So you read the terms and the conditions, you just say agree. You can go through them briefly. You say agree, and now here is your KDP account. This is how it looks, where you have create. So when you click create, here's how it will be. So you can publish a Kindle ebook, you can publish paperback, hardcover, you can even create a series. So I have already explained this in another video. I will put the link in the description. Then let's go back to the main page. There's something I want us to see. Yes, complete your account information to publish a book. Please provide required information on your account page to receive royalty payments. So now you must go to your account. You can see it here. So that now here is where you're going to put in your bank details. Okay, your bank details. So you'll just come and put your number, then they'll send you an OTP which will take you to a page where you're supposed to put your details, your tax information depending on the country that you are in, and it's as simple as that. As simple as that. And yeah, here's your account. And so this account, we are going to use it to try to create and to upload a book, so that I can explain also step by step of uploading a book. Okay, yeah.